Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use text to columns. And the reason I need to use this on this particular file is because eventually I'm going to want this for a mail merge in a Word document. And to do that, everything has to be in its own separate columns. And as you can see, if I click on the first cell here, everything's contained in one cell. And it's like that all the way down. Sometimes when you download data, this is how it comes across. So what I want to accomplish here is I want to get rid of all the headers, which would be name, address, city, province, and postal code. I want to get rid of those. And I want to be left with the data, the name in one column, the address in its own separate column, and so on. So how we accomplish this is we highlight the data, and then we go into the tab Data, and we select Text to Columns, and we choose Delimited. Because what's going to happen is we want it to break at where the colon is, and we want it to break at where the comma is into columns. Then we go to Next, and I've already got the colon selected here. I've already done this, and I've already got comma selected. And as you can see, it's going to break them into their own columns. So then I select Next, and destination will be A3. The name will start in A3, and it's showing you that there, and that's fine. And then we select Finished. Okay, now I'm going to move my heading over into column B, B1 here. So now I want to click into a column and I want to delete the name. So I'm going to right click, select delete. Then I'm going to click in B column and delete the address. These are all the headers and I don't want them. Same for city, province, right click, delete, and postal code. Okay, there was a problem because after each colon there was 2 spaces, and so there's spaces before each one of these. And I need to get rid of those spaces. And to do that, I use a text formula that's called trim. It will get rid of any leading spaces and any spaces at the end as well. So I'm going to type in that formula trim. I'm going to select my text in A3. I did my left bracket, select the text in A3, and I will make my right bracket and hit return. And as you can see, that's gotten rid of the spaces. If you look at the difference, the spaces are gone. So now what I want to do is I want to copy this formula right. There's 5 columns, so I'm going to select 5 columns here all together. I'm going to Control R. I'm using a Mac, and that copies the formula right. And then what I'm going to do when this turns into a cross, I'm going to double click it to fill this formula down. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to right click and copy. Then I want to right click and paste special. I'm going to click on values because I want to get rid of the formula, and this is how we do it. And I'm going to say OK. And if I click in here, you can see that there's no formula left. Okay, and then I want to right click again, and I want to select Cut. Now what I want to do is I want to go into A3 and I want to replace all the contents of all the old ones here from A3 to E7 with the new information without the spaces. So I'm going to right click in A3 and I'm going to select paste. And it's done it. So what I want to do, I just want to make it this bigger so that you can see it better and see that there's no spaces there. They're all gone. There's no spaces either in front or behind. And there you have it. It's all done and it's ready for our mail merge in our Word document. I hope you enjoyed this and you learned something. Have a great day. Bye now.